The benefits of drinking clove water at night. Cloves, once valued more than gold, are a powerful spice with a rich history of medicinal use. Known for their many health benefits, cloves can easily be incorporated into your nightly routine through clove water. This blog post explores the advantages of incorporating clove water into your evening regimen and provides a simple recipe to prepare it. Historical significance of cloves. Cloves have been used for over 2,000 years in traditional medicine, particularly in China. They gained historical importance during events such as the Black Plague, where they were utilized for their antiviral and antibacterial properties. Furthermore, clove oil was commonly used in early dentistry for its numbing effect, proving effective in treating tooth pain and aiding in minor surgical procedures. Health benefits of clove water. Drinking clove water at night offers several health benefits that can enhance overall well-being. Here are some key advantages: detoxification and digestive health. Clove water aids in detoxifying the liver by stimulating the production of enzymes that help break down toxins. It is also effective in alleviating bloating, gas, and indigestion, making it a beneficial post-meal drink. Respiratory support. Clove water can be beneficial for individuals suffering from respiratory issues such as bronchitis, mucus buildup, and asthma. Its natural antibiotic properties help combat infections without the side effects associated with traditional medications. Cognitive improvement. Regular consumption of clove water may support cognitive functions, including memory and concentration, making it an excellent choice for those looking to enhance mental clarity. Cardiovascular health. Clove water promotes healthy blood circulation and supports overall heart health. Its beneficial properties can help maintain a functional cardiovascular system. Immune system support. Thanks to its antimicrobial properties, clove water can bolster the immune system, helping the body fight off infections more effectively. Sleep aid. Clove water serves as a natural sedative, promoting relaxation and aiding in sleep without the adverse effects of sleep medications. It contains tryptophan, which can enhance serotonin production and subsequently increase melatonin levels. How to prepare clove water. Making clove water at home is simple and requires minimal ingredients. Ingredients: gather 4 to 5 whole cloves and 1 cup of water. Preparation: boil the water and add the cloves. Simmer for 5 minutes while covering the pot to retain the vapors. Remove from heat and let it cool for about an hour. Storage: for added convenience, place the clove water in the refrigerator. Consumption: drink the clove water 30 minutes before bedtime. For children, consider adding a teaspoon of raw honey to improve the taste. Additional uses of clove oil. Clove oil can also be used topically for various conditions. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil such as coconut or olive oil to relieve muscle or joint pain. For skin irritations, combining clove oil with aloe vera can accelerate healing and serve as an antiseptic conclusion. Incorporating clove water into your nightly routine can provide numerous health benefits, ranging from improved digestion to enhanced sleep quality. This simple beverage not only supports bodily functions, but also offers a natural way to promote relaxation. With minimal preparation, clove water can easily become a staple in your health regimen. For those looking to enhance their overall wellness, this ancient spice is a valuable addition.